Hello students, today we are going to study noun clause. Already we studied that clauses are classified into two main types. One is main clause, second one is subordinate clause. Main clause doesn't have any type, but subordinate clause has three types: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Now one of them we are studying today, that's a noun clause. So first of all, what's mean by clause? That also we studied earlier. Clause, it means a group of words which has one subject and one predicate. That's known as a clause. So how to identify clause? That we have to do here. It means here in these all the examples, one is main clause and second one is subordinate clause. So subordinate clause, how it is noun clause only, that also we have to understand. So there is one technique how to identify it. See, first of all, first thing, the kind of words are used there in noun clause: what, how, that, then why, etc. Even more than this also, certain another word also you will have there, but according to the meaning you will have to find it out. See, whatever examples are there, so how to identify main and subordinate, that already we studied. See, I don't know, this is the main clause, and what she wants, this is the subordinate clause. This part already we studied, how to identify main clause and subordinate clause, already we studied. Now here we have to determine how that subordinate clause is noun clause only. Here there is one technique. You should question to the verb of main clause with what? See, I don't know. What don't I know? What don't I know? What she wants. If you frame a question with what, and if you question to the main verb with what, and you get the answer, it means that subordinate clause is the example of noun clause. Then, so while writing answer, you will have to write like this: main clause I don't know, then subordinate noun clause what she wants. In this way you will have to write. Then come to the next second example: nobody knows how the speech was born. Nobody knows how the speech was born. So here also, how to identify main and subordinate, that we studied. Nobody knows, this is the main clause. Then how the speech was born, this is the subordinate clause. So question to the main clause with what? What does nobody know? What does nobody know? How the speech was born. This is your answer. If you are getting this answer after questioning to the main clause, then this subordinate clause is the example of noun clause. Then come to the third example. He says that he met your brother. So here see, he says, this is the main clause, this is the subject, and then this is the predicate. Then that he met your brother. This is the particular part. Question here to the main clause with what? What does he say? What does he say? That he met your brother. So if you are getting answer after framing question to the main clause, or in main clause, that main verb, and if you get the answer, it means this subordinate clause is the example of noun clause. So that's why while writing answer you will have to write like this: main clause he says, and subordinate clause that he met your brother. Okay, in this way you will have to write. Then come to the next fourth example. He explained why the change had happened. So here he explained, this is the main clause. Okay, he is the subject and explain is the verb. That's a predicate, we can say. So this is the main clause. Now question to the main clause with what? What did he explain? What did he explain? Why the change had happened. If you question here to the explain or to this main clause with what? and you get the answer, it means that's an example of subordinate noun clause. So why the change had happened, this is the answer which you are getting there after framing the question. That's why write down answer like this: main clause, he explained. Then subordinate noun clause, why the change had happened. Then come to the next: I cannot understand why she is angry with me. See first, I cannot understand, this is the main clause. Then why she is angry with me, this is the subordinate clause. You can question here to the main clause with what? What can I not understand? Okay. Or what can't I understand? So, what can't you I understand? You are getting this answer, why she is angry with me. So that's why write down here, I cannot understand, this is the main clause, and why she is angry with me, this is the subordinate clause. Okay, then come to the last example. I expect that I shall get a prize. So here, I is the subject, expect is the verb, it means this is the main clause. Then, that I shall get a prize. So here, I expect. This is the main clause. Question here to the main clause with what? What do I expect? What do I expect? That I shall get a prize. So here you are getting answer. That's why I expect, this is the main clause. Write down answer like this: main clause, I expect. Then that I shall get a prize, that's a subordinate noun clause. In this way you will have to write down these all the answers. Write down answer like this: main clause, then that line, then subordinate noun clause, and then that remaining line, the kind of answer which you are getting from there. Okay, thank you very much.